Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we just gotta get into it like usual. Today we're not looking at the BMW. Yes, it's back, but we are gonna do some maintenance on the Escalade and the Ford Flex. Like do some tire rotations, etc. on both, and I gotta do the O2 sensors on the Cadillac Escalade. So yeah. Alright. So let's move this out my shop area. Move this beside the Honda Accord. Then let's bring the Escalade back here. Alright, first on the list is we're gonna be doing the O2 sensors on the Escalade. So let's get this up in the air. Alright, so I got the O2 sensors right here. Let's just throw these under there. I got them from eBay. I'll make sure. It should be fine. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the easiest one, which is behind this wheel well. So I'm gonna, I see it, it's back there. Let me take this wheel well off real quick. And that is the farthest that the tire will turn. So nice, and there it goes. So let's take this off and blah 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 blah. I don't know what the heck that was. Overall, as you can see, it's pretty clean. So, whew. PB Blaster is your best friend. This is the size of that right there is not a 7/8. Do not make the mistake just because you fit it over the replacement and it fits. Don't do that mistake of what I did. I almost stripped the whole thing. So I had to use a smaller one. This one is 7/8 too, but oh wait. But this is the one for the O2 sensor because the gap on this one is bigger. That's why it was bending. So use the kind that got like the slit like smaller, so if you know what I'm saying. But I had to use breaker bar, what I have, to break it loose. Now it's loose. So now we can undo this. This is the, unplug this. This is why I need a tripod. I can't find my tripod anywhere. So all that is unhooked. It's not terrible, but it's bad. So I think that's why it was throwing that code. So, oh well, I got new ones now anyway. So here's a side-by-side comparison. They are a little different. This one right here is bigger. This one is the original right here, but in the ends is way different. But we're gonna try it anyway. If it fit, it fits. If it don't, ha, eBay got me, and time to write a review. So first, let's try to see if, nope, it does not. You gotta be kidding me. Really? Okay. After thinking, all hopes isn't lost. Okay. I realize I bought the wrong ones, but not the wrong ones for the right reason. I didn't buy the upstream. I went on my eBay and I looked. I didn't buy the ones for the upstream. So, luckily I went under the truck and I looked, and these right here is for the downstream. So, let's replace those and order some new ones for the upstream. So, get the big boy right here. Okay, same dealio here. You already know me. I'm not doing the other side on camera. I'm just gonna do that one off camera and call it a day. It's making me so angry. I don't even want to know if I want to do the tire rotations. Come on, focus. Yeah. Let's see how she at. Let's put the other one on. All right, so here you got the other one. Here go the other booty plug right there. These are the downstream. Now I know there you go, thread on lock. Okay. Okay, come on. Get in there. There we go. One click. There you go. All right, so now let's put this back in there. Alright, got that one on. Button up. It was a zip tie holding the old one up, so I just put the zip tie back. That's the new one. So I'm gonna do that side right there off camera, and then we're gonna button up everything. I'm gonna put the other O2 sensor back on and crank it up, check the codes and stuff, and go from there. So see you in a bit. Alright, so we're finna get these spark plugs done now. AC Delco. I'm using a 5/8. So let's get it done. Move this. I'm gonna just do one by one because one by one. Yeah, definitely need some wires, but to the time being, I just use them. All right, so let's inspect this. Trying to figure out what is all that. These look like the original cut. These AC Delco too. You get a part number for these. You can see it. You know, not just rocks. Not rocks, but dirt. Oh well, let's get the other one in. Yeah. Alright, so I got the second one off. Looks like it's some kind of crud up in here. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so there's like some crud or something in these spark plugs. So I think need new spark plug wires, but these are due until. Alright, I'm on the third one. It's taking me longer than to explain it. I'm an X. Whatever, but I want to just be careful because it's like kind of tough to take these out. So, but they're not horrible. They're not good either. So let's just get the last one back here. I'm not gonna do the other side on camera. I'm just gonna do this side and mirror all this on the other side, and you get the picture. So yeah. All right, I'm on this side now. I got the spark plug out, but this side is a little challenging because you got more stuff over here than the other side. So what I did is just use this kind of extension, which is shorter, which will give you more leverage, but as you can see back there, let me see if I can get you back there. Those spark plugs right there, I might have a little challenge with those, but we'll work through it. So yeah. All right, I got 7 out of 8 of them on. You see that little bracket right there? This one right here, this is gonna be blocking. Hold on, this right here is gonna be blocking one of the spark plugs holes, so you're gonna have to bend that back just to get to that spark plug. But now I'm debating if I should just leave that one and then leave it for another day because your boy is beat. So we'll see. Well, I have decided just to leave that one in the far back, but these are spark plugs. Don't ask me why, you already know, because that's a tight space and I got to figure out what size socket I'm gonna have to get to do it with. But these are the spark plugs. They are burnt at the tip, but let's try to start it up and see how she sounds. Here we go. Healthier. Oh yeah, and I got these from eBay. I don't know, these feel like chrome on the side of the door thing, so I'm gonna figure out how, if those look nice. But let's go to the engine. Sounds better. Believe it or not, she sounds quieter. She's more smoother. Oh yeah. Cause usually when I hit the gas, it's like do like a little sputter almost. Oh. She is 100% better. 100% better. She sings faster too. So let's pull back into the yard now. All right, so I got the chrome things on the side. I'm gonna put all the links in the description of where I got all this from. eBay, which is my favorite spot to go to. So yeah, got all that done. Chromed out. Not putting too much chrome, just that right there. But spark plug's done, just need one more to do. But overall, and surprisingly, I cleared the codes. You remember that I had got a lot more codes, and then just now I got a lot more codes. But after I cleared all the codes, there was only one code that came back, and that code is the O2 sensor. So, which is good news, and we're gonna get that done. I'm gonna have to order more, the upper two ones, and then get that done. And today I'm gonna wash this, clean it up, and go from there. I just made two videos in one. So I was gonna have the spark plug in one video and the O2 sensor in another video, but I'm just gonna add all this into one video. So yeah, she's running 100% better. When I say 100% better, 100% better. So I'm digging it. Followed the series on this truck because more will come to this truck. I thought I was complete with it, but as you can see, apparently not. So it's gonna need some more things done to it to make it perfect. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I'm just trying to make it more reliable for my aunt to drive around and stuff. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And more videos will come on this truck. And see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.